guys, I welcome you to my channel Excel Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Nathaniel, and this channel content has to do with CorelDRAW, Adobe Illustrator, and Photoshop. If you visit my channel, all you have to do is to make sure you click on videos. And when you click on video, you'll be able to see my present and past tutorial in CorelDRAW, Photoshop, and Adobe Illustrator. So all you have to do is to scroll down and see my tutorial. All these tutorials have been made for basic to advanced in CorelDRAW, Adobe Photoshop, and Adobe Illustrator. All you have to do is to watch the video, learn one or two things, and if you have any question as far as my tutorial is concerned, put your question in the comment section down below. And also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel when you visit. So let's get the tutorial started. Welcome back, guys. I welcome you to my Adobe Illustrator CC tutorial. Today's tutorial, I'm going to teach you how you can rotate a custom shape or a basic shape around in Adobe Illustrator. So let's get today's tutorial started. First, I'll go to my toolbar and select circle. Now we select circle. Then I can align to the center. Then I'll make it smaller. Then I can make another circle. So in this case now I can change the color. Correct. Okay. So I can take this to the center again and make sure it's not to put it down here and press Shift key and select the new shape and bring out my align panel and I'll make sure that everything is aligned to the center. Just like this. Then I can take it to the top. Now I need to make a rotation around this black circle. Okay. Now I need to select my rotate tools here. Then I'll take it down to the center. Then I'll press Alt key on the keyboard and just click. This is going to pump some in. Then I'll bring out my calculator to define the shape. Select my calculator. This is simply means that you need to make an actual division of the total number of the angle. Okay. So the total number of the angle is 360. So what I'm going to do is that I will type 360 divided by the number of the shape I would like to rotate around the circle. So I need it to be rotated by 12 divided by 12. And I'll click on equal to. And so I'm having 30 degrees. So let me quickly minimize it. Then you come down here and type your figure. So here I'm going to type 30 degrees. So you can click on preview to see it. You're going to have a movement of the stuff. So if you click on preview, it's going to appear. Okay. Then you can click on copy. Once you click on copy, it's going to duplicate. Then Ctrl D, Ctrl D, Ctrl D, Ctrl D. Alright. Go. So you have how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. So everything has been divided into equal 12, right? So this is how you make a simple rotate in Adobe Illustrator. If you enjoyed this video, click like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos in Illustrator. Thank you for watching. See you soon.